Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Ellsworth. Those of you who've been at our school before probably know me more as Mr. E. I'm going to be your physics teacher for this semester. Hope you all had a great summer and are ready to begin a new school year, even though it's going to be a little bit different. We've never began a year like this before where we're starting out remotely, but I'm excited that we can really do some neat things, even remotely, and that we're going to have a really good semester together this semester. Just a little bit of background about me. This will be my 26th year, I believe, teaching, but I've only taught physics a few times, so I'm still learning a lot as well. It's a great course. I love it. It's very math-based, which if you are into math is going to be a great thing. If you don't like math so much, I promise you'll still enjoy it because we don't just learn the math, we actually apply it. Some really interesting things throughout the semester. But um, again, I've been teaching for about 26 years. I've been at Seek for, this is my fourth year here, and it's my second year teaching 10th grade. And I'm looking really forward, like I said, to a great year. And anytime you have any questions, anytime you have anything, please reach out to me. I do not mind if you text my phone. I give you my Remind number, or I will be. Email. I have a Google number you can call. Just, anytime you need anything, let me know, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. But again, I just wanted to introduce myself and welcome you to a new year. And I hope that you're excited and ready to go because we are going to have a really good year this year. Thank you.